Welcome back to the channel, guys. So last week we had the Flutter 3.19 updates, and with that, Google released the Google Generative AI package on pub.dev, which enables us to generate or to use AI models like Gemini to build AI-powered features and applications. So, and this is the package we'll be using in today's video. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. And without wasting time, let's get started. So the first step is to install or add the package in your prospect.yaml file, which is the Google Generative AI. I've done that already. The second step is to get your API key. So click here. I'll put the link in the description below. I don't know what is wrong. My Chrome suddenly crashed, but I'll put the steps from my mobile phone on the screen right here for you to see on how to get your API key. So let's just say we have gotten our API key already. Let's start building. I have my API key right here, which is a secret, so I'll be showing you guys. I have my main app and then my own page, which is a stateful widget. Let's start coding. So right here, I'll have my lit generative model, call model. Don't forget you import the generative AI package. Also, this is just for my API key. So, and then in our init state, we need an init state to initialize the model. We have model equals to generative model, and model is the Gemini Pro. That's the model we'll be using for this tutorial. My API key is API key. Okay, I think let me just show you what we have in our UI. We have a text field, we have a button, and this is how it looks. This is the text field, and this is the button, which does nothing at the moment. So let's give you some functionalities. Let's add a controller right here. So text editing controller equals to text editing controller. Now this is, so this is our controller for the text field. Controller. Okay, the function for our elevated button now. Let's create that. I'll create a function called generate sync, and then right here we have our prompt. So final prompt equals to content dot text, and this will be the text you are getting from our text field, the controller. So controller dot text. Okay, and then final response equals to model dot generate content, which should be the prompt. So let's await this right here, and then let's print out the response. Response dot text. Okay, and let me restart my app. So let's try to generate something here. Let's say write a story about a magic wand that changed the life of a young boy. Now if I should click on press me, oh sorry, I have not added the function in the elevated button. So generate right here. and let's save. If I click on press me, let's wait for it to generate. And here we can see the story. So it's actually slow because my internet right here is very slow, but it will be fast if you have a faster internet. So this is it. We have our story right here. Now let's find a way, or let's make a way to show the generated story in our UI. So right here I'll have a string generated. Okay. And then after it has been generated, then we have set states generated equals to response dot text. And then over here we will have our text which should be generated. Okay, so this is not a really pretty tutorial. This is just showing the functional part of it. Alright, so this is not a very pretty app, I think. Let's try to write or generate an app idea that you think will be life changing. By press this now, let's wait for it to generate. Okay, so right here we have the app name called Wellness Compass, and this is the concepts and everything right here. So we can see this is how to use the Google Generative AI to generate text in your app. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also, like and share this video to other people that you think might be interested in it. And I'll see you in the next lesson, guys.